Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone's adjustable dead pedal for Jeep's 2018 and up JL Wrangler and 2020 and up JT Gladiator. Step 1. Begin by assembling the pedal to your mount. To do this, take your pedal and line up the holes. Once you have your holes aligned, screw on the included hardware. On the right side of the pedal, leave the nuts on the first few threads of the bolt. Tighten the left side bolts to the point where the pedal does not move freely, but can be adjusted by hand. You can proceed to tighten the right side bolts. Once again, make the bolts tight enough to where the pedal does not move freely, but can be adjusted by hand. Step 2. After assembling your pedal, we will need to remove the nuts and washers off the two bolts located on the driver's side floorboard using a 13mm socket. After removing the washers and nuts, take your assembled pedal and slide it onto the floorboard's bolts. Reinstall the hardware with a 13mm socket, securing your mount to the floorboard. Then, adjust your pedal's placement to your liking. Once you have your pedal sitting where you like it, tighten the bolts on the right side of your pedal with an 18mm socket and 19mm wrench. Due to favoring the left side of the mount in the assembly step, tightening the right side bolt should be enough to secure the pedal. Then you're done.